Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to disable name drop on your iPhone. Name drop has been around since the release of iOS 17, and while it's a very handy feature for sharing contact details by simply holding two iPhones together, there might come a time when you prefer to disable it. I'll guide you through the steps to manage and disable this feature. Name drop on iOS 17 allows you to share contact information effortlessly just by holding two iPhones close to each other. This is convenient, but if you decide you no longer want to use this feature, there are a couple of approaches you can take. One option is to disable the contact card you're sharing via name drop. To do this, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Tap on My Card, which is your personal contact information. Here, you have the option to either disable it entirely or adjust the settings to share only specific information. This way, you can avoid sharing personal details while still using name drop selectively. However, if you prefer a more comprehensive solution, you can disable name drop completely. Here's how to do that. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, navigate to General, and then select AirDrop. In the AirDrop settings, you'll see an option called Start Sharing by Bringing Devices Close. Disable this option to stop any sharing based on proximity. By turning off both the name drop contact card and the proximity-based sharing option, you can ensure that name drop and all forms of proximity-based information sharing are completely disabled on your iPhone. This not only gives you greater control over your privacy, but also prevents any accidental sharing of your contact details. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable name drop on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.